Hey दोस्तों, welcome to third video of Bootstrap 5 tutorial series. In this series, we are going to learn fundamental and basic of Bootstrap 5. In previous video, we discussed how to start using Bootstrap 5. It is recommended to watch that video before starting this video. In this video, we will learn about various breakpoints in Bootstrap 5. So, let's begin. What is breakpoint in Bootstrap 5? Breakpoints are the building block of the responsive design. These are the customizable widths that determine how responsive layout behave across device or viewport sizes in Bootstrap. Bootstrap most commonly use minimum width in its media queries. You may be wondering what are media queries. Media queries are the feature of CSS that allow to conditionally apply style based on the set of a browser's and operating system parameter. Media queries can be used to check many things such as width and height of the viewport, width and height of the device, orientation, that is the phone, tablet, in landscape or portrait mode, resolution and many things. However, these four are mostly used. Media queries are the popular technique for delivering a tailored style sheet to desktop, laptops, tablet and mobile phone. We will learn more about media queries in CSS tutorial. Let's return to breakpoints. There are tons of screens and devices with different height and different weights, so it is hard to create exact breakpoint for each device. To keep things simple, Bootstrap targeted 6 groups, that is 6 different breakpoints. Each breakpoints are differentiated using minimum width in its media query. Bootstrap is mobile first, therefore extra small is the default breakpoint in Bootstrap. This includes extra small devices such as phone with width less than 576 pixels. Then next breakpoint is for small devices such as portrait tablet and large ones having width more than 576 pixels. In fixing assign to any responsive class, target this breakpoint. Then MD refers to medium devices such as landscape tablet having width more than 768 pixels. LG denotes large devices like laptop and desktop with width greater than 992 pixels. XL is used for big size laptops and desktop having screen width larger than 1200 pixels. Extra large device, usually television, projector, etc. having width more than 1400 pixels are represented by XXL. Pause this video and note down the given table or take screenshot of it. You need to refer this table many times while developing Bootstrap website. Hope you enjoyed this video and please to learn more. In next video, we will learn about containers. Kindly like this video and share it with your friends so that it reaches more and more people. And finally, thanks for watching.